Okay, boys and girls, excuse the untidiness, just setting up the new PC as in a test first before everything gets assembled into the case. Here we've got the Radeon RX 6800 XT from XFX. That's 16 gigabytes. Got a MSI Magmortar B660 motherboard with an i3-12100. We've got some Vengeance RGB Pro SL memory sticks, 8 gigs each, 32 mega transfers. Got some in-win fans hooked up to a Dell, rather an AOC monitor, and a little control panel. And guys have been asking about the coil whine on the graphics card, so we're just going to switch it on and just have a look and see. So the noise you're hearing is actually from the fans. I'm going to lift them up off the thing and you'll see just how quiet things can get. So you're hearing the fans, but there's nothing. The GPU is whisper quiet. No coil whine, nothing. It is super quiet. Can't wait to get this thing tested once we've got all the settings and Windows installed, and we'll keep you updated.